Hello, friends. I'm Ruby, and today, we're going on an exciting adventure to learn about prepositions. Prepositions are little words that tell us where things are, like on, under, in, and beside. Let's go on a fun trip to learn more. Look at this cat. The cat is sitting on the roof of a house. Wow, that's nice. It's a fish. The fish is in the bowl. See that red ball? That ball is between the boxes. My friend Rob is sitting under the tree. The boy is behind the ball. What's that? It's an elephant. An elephant is next to the chair.
What's that red fruit? It's an apple. Where is it? An apple is in front of the box. Wow! We learned so many prepositions today. Now let's identify the prepositions in the following sentences. Where is puppy? The puppy is dash the chair. Where is the bird? The bird is dash the boxes. Where is the cat? The cat is dash the box. Where are the fruits? The fruits are dash the basket. Where is the girl? The girl is dash the table.